I have a question for you. When you were growing up, were you always told not to pick wild berries and fruit off trees and hedges? That they were poisonous? If so, stick around. Let me show you something. Now this here is rosehip, also known as the dog rose or rose haw. Now you're probably thinking, what's so great about these? Well, I tell you, they contain nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. They contain trace elements, essential fatty acids. Now these little guys contain more vitamin C than oranges. Trust me, rosehip infusions are your best friend. So now it's time for me to show you how to turn this into herbal tea. Start by cutting them in half, so you get 2 equal pieces like this. Once you have your 2 equal pieces, you want to remove the seeds and the fibres inside. Once you've removed the seeds inside, you end up with something like this. Obviously you have to be careful because they still have the little fibres inside that can be irritable. Now them you want to remove. Once you've removed the fibres inside, you end up with something like this. This is what you want to dry. Either dry out in the oven, in the sun, whatever. Once that's done and you've dried these guys out, you want to chop them up into small flakes and you'll have something that looks like this. So when you end up with this, that's it, you're done. You're ready to make some rosehip tea. There you go guys, now you have your final product. You want to boil that up in water. You can add clove, mint, nettle, you can add many things, but we'll talk about that in another video. That's it for rosehip tea, let's go. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to follow, like, share and stay tuned for more upcoming adventures.